Smoke does manage to get himself one, but that is all it's going to be. Flamey and Library just hanging in the corner. They haven't spotted him yet, but he's completely flashed up. They're lining up for him. He gets himself a double, and that was all too easy. The lurking didn't work, but Happy in a 2-on-1 all alone. And actually, it's a good position. The bomb's in his side. Flamey tucking in there, but he finds him through the smoke to trace the fire, giving his position away. The bomb plant not quite going down. Oh my God! Happy, how did he find?
WP buy. Why not?
Why not? And the funny thing is that some of these players, when they were on Sonata Dragons, they had a history of doing this. When Gambit were ahead, they would disrespect their opponents. And so there's some balance, there's some karma in the world sometimes, right? Anders, I mean, in the end, the pop flash is not effective for Major. Oh, what? Get wrecked, Mo! Get out of the server! This is all of Meister's turf!
Gonna cost him. FNX, fair, FNX again, and they're just getting kill after kill. They're getting sandwiched in as well. Forest, he's stuck, and Freiburg tries to stick that bomb plant, but it's just not meant to be. Complete and utter destruction here in the pistol. Despite what Forest was trying to do, he got 2 headshots, but it just wasn't good enough.
He actually got the last shot through the wood panel as well. I love the fact that they were actually trying to get the bomb down there, because that made sense. Look at this nonsense.
What was that?
Yeah, okay, time for some Reddit videos here. I'm definitely ready. If we can make a lot for Flusher, then this one has to go in there too.
Where the fuck is he? He's in. I'm on the bomb first, alright?
Oh, the fucking giant brain! Got owned! Oh my God, dude. Did you see that?
Yeah, it could. I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay.
Is I dead?
Vector. I'll walk in CT. Nice job. I what's planning?
Vector dead?
DC move.
Oh, I thought that was me!
God.
Yeah, you can go after it. They aren't there.
Dead.
Nice.
I'm low HP.
I flashed over monster. He's
I
playing barrels all the time. Barrels. Sitting barrels.
Can't follow you right now.
Pushing quarter.
He went back, he's dead.
Flashed, smoke. One crossed, 2 crossed, both crossed. Flashing right now.
Oh, they're top A. Flashing over. Like deep. Got 1 barrel. Last guy planner.
Sight. Woo! That was sick. Call me effing Cold Zero, boys. Cold Zico or something. Yeah.
A lot of Opers will use. Decides to go aggro instead. A lot of Opers will just play static at this point. Just wait. But this is, in a nutshell, is Guardian style and why he's such a terrifying player to come up against. Cold Zara through the wall on C. Beautiful shot. The volley bounces off his teammate's head.
2 flashes, så alt hvad de har med dem. Det kommer ind nu af Yugi. Hurtigt på aftrækker. Han får duellen nu. Misser desværre, og nødt til at trække sig helt retur til banken. Han bliver ikke skærmet af som sådan, men han har masser af assistance. Glade med en enkelt nu. Det er rigtig vigtigt. Yugi med en igennem, og Insta med en enkelt. Det ser ud som om de endnu en gang får lov at lukke det her sammen.
It makes it look like it has an eye on the end of the dragon on that Aquamarine. It's kind of interesting. Just thought I'd let you know. But jump down strategy in place again. The smoke to isolate long. This is, I'm surprised it's become so common so quickly. Scream! What is that nonsense? Get out! That is